So Davido actually took Iyanya to Ghana to celebrate his birthday. Davido is in Ghana, Obi Franklin is in Ghana, Spyro is in Ghana, Iyanya is in Ghana. They are all there to celebrate Iyanya tonight. We all know Iyanya is a superstar, and Davido with an open heart decided to celebrate him in Ghana today. Well, it's beautiful. Yesterday, last night, Davido was in Nigeria, and he was with the likes of Pella, where he did I would say the dropping of his incoming song on TikTok. Anyway, here's the highlights. Please enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment below.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Desire. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. I love you, man. Thank
Many
you.
more years.
Thank you.
Many more years.
Amen.
Many more hits.
Amen.
More money.
Amen. Amen.
More friends like me.
Yeah.
Always.
Ubi, I will give you $1.
Hi, Iyanya.
What's up, boss?
It's your birthday today.
Yes, sir.
So there's a challenge.
Yeah, okay.
Sing 5 songs that come to your mind
As a medley.
as a medley.
Okay. You don't make me fall in love. 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 Outside the reggae, baby blues, the blues. Make you do as I do. Enjoy yourself, baby boo, boo. Cause even your boo will get a boo. Now only me you are alive. That's 4. I will never leave your side. Only fine girl, only fine boy that I know. One more. I can't prevent you though. Do it for me. Hey, baby, got me falling. Don't need no Photoshop. Waistline's got me calling. Don't want no drama. Hey, I just wanna be with you. Want no drama. 5 songs. La la la, I'm a cosa. Champagne, I'm a moza.